The FDA has approved the first drug known to reduce the risk of HIV infection. KMIR-6's Angela Monroe joins us now with more on this milestone. Angela.
Truvada is one of the most frequently used drugs for the treatment of HIV, and now the FDA approved it for use in the prevention of HIV. I spoke with a local doctor who has been treating HIV-positive patients since the 1980s. Dr. John Stansel says he has already prescribed Truvada to patients to prevent HIV infection.
None of the people that I have treated in a preventative manner have actually acquired HIV, which is, my small subset is 100% effective.
A company study showed the pill cut the risk of infection by 42% for gay or bisexual men and by 75% for heterosexual couples. But Dr. Stansel says the effectiveness is actually higher if people take the drug every single day before having sexual contact.
Only about 18%, if I remember correctly, actually took the drug. So if you looked at the protective effect in those people who actually had drug on board at the time of analysis, it was 96% effective.
We also spoke with Desert AIDS Project CEO David Brinkman about the first pill to help prevent HIV.
If you take the human factor out of it, scientifically, it's really great news. You put the human factor in it, it gets complicated.
Complicated by the price, $14,000 a year, the fact it must be taken every day, and side effects.
Or anything from nausea to kidney problems to an increased acid amount in your bloodstream.
Still, the science of fighting HIV has come a long way since the 1980s.
The fact is that more people die of hepatitis C now than die from HIV in this country. So we've come a long way. We have a long way to go, but we've come a long way.
And the Desert AIDS Project CEO reminds people to always use condoms, even if on Truvada, and get tested for HIV.
This is an opportunity to remind people that the infection rate in the Palm Springs area is 300% higher than the national average, that there's a new infection in our country every 9.5 minutes. Everybody should know their HIV status.
And the Desert AIDS Project CEO says everyone should be tested for HIV at least once a year. There are 29 test sites in the Valley. You can go to our website for more information. Elizabeth, back to you.
All right, thanks, Angela.